For design and technology, our model is created based on the Scooby-Doo franchise. Specifically, we've chosen to encapture the Phantom Shadow, who was one of the early Scooby-Doo villains.
Okay, so this model has been designed as a teaching aid. It's been designed to show the workings of 3 systems which we've incorporated into the design. It's also been designed to help students develop critical and creative thinking.
Our system, the key components of our system are the gears and cams. The gears work in unison to turn 3 axles. One axle has a smaller gear, one has a medium, and the key axle has the largest gear. On the medium gear is connected to the cams which work the head, and the medium axle at the bottom is connected to the cams which work the arms. The cams specifically for the head are off-centered circles, thus to create the desired up and down motion and desirably a twist in the head as well. The arms use the eggs, which mean that for the majority of the time it will stay at a constant level, but at one point it will lift. They've also been added at a 45-degree angle so that the arms don't lift at the same time, rather a bit off peak.
Okay, so we have also included a electrical circuit system which operate 2 LED lights at the front of the model. This has been included to add visual appeal to the design, and we have also included a switch on the side of the box. So the system operates through 2 1.5 volt batteries, whereby current is passed around an electrical conductor. When the switch on the side is down, that completes the circuit. When it is up, it disrupts the circuit and the lights switch off. Several things which we thought we did really well in the design of this model. There are also several things which we thought we could have improved on. We were really happy with the visual design of the model and thought it resembled the intended character really well. We also thought that it acts really well as a practical teaching tool and demonstrates really well the 3 systems which we incorporated. We thought that it's really good in that the students can see the inner workings of the model really well and understand how each system works and works in unison. We were also happy with the way which we used the cloak of the Phantom to cover up the back of the design, which covers the inner workings of the model.
We will consider possible improvements for our design. Most of these improvements are linked to the systematic functionality of the design and are linked to the internal systems and mechanisms. The first immediate change we would make is, rather than use the skewer as the axles for the cams, change to use a metal. This is because the skewer can bend and it is also prone to breakage. This will make the design smoother and less rickety and stop and start. We would also change the material for the cams, specifically for the ones that operate the head. This is because the plastics are too smooth on the edge and do not create the desired turn, which, as immediately designed, we intended for the head to go up and down, but also twist and turn. Aside from that, the only other immediate improvement we would make is paint the box first before permanently fixing the materials and gears. Aside from that, we are extremely happy with our design, and we think that it is extremely suitable as a positive teaching aid. Boo!